In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your new 240 SP power station. The first step is to stack your battery. Before you do that, you need to make sure that the power is shut off on both. You can tell they're off if they're out instead of in. The battery will have the LED light glowing when it's turned on. And you can tell that this is off because it's out. Once you're sure that everything is turned off, you simply stack this on top of the battery by lining the feet up with the holes, gently pressing down and locking the latches. Now we can add a second battery to the 240 SP. In this case, we want to add it to the top because you want to keep these batteries balanced as much as you can. If you had just one battery, you could add it to the top or the bottom, but now that we have two, we want to have one on the bottom, one on the top. So I'm going to put that on, making sure that it is off. Everything is turned off. Now we'll stack the second battery by carefully lining up the feet with the holes and gently pressing down and again locking the latches. Now the next step, once we have the batteries on the power module, is to turn them on. Turn both batteries on and the power module. Now we need to program the display screen. We can do this in two ways. We can program it by using the display screen or by using a Bluetooth app. For this video, we're going to show you how to use the display screen, but you can see the video above, which I will show you how to use the Bluetooth app. When programming the display screen, first thing you do is press the gear button. This takes you into the programming screen. And the thing that you want to change on here is the capacity. Each one of these batteries are 90 amp hours. So since we have two, we need to program this to 180 amp hours. To do that, you press the gear again. As you notice that digit starts blinking and is red. And if you press this arrow, it takes you to the next one. And you simply scroll through there till you get to what you need to change, which is right here. We want to change that to an 8, so we press the up arrow till that becomes an 8. Once that is done, you press the gear again. That saves the setting at 180 amp hours, and then you simply press the escape to go back to the main screen. The final step in calibrating our meter is to fully charge our batteries. Right now the meter reads a percentage, but it's not going to be accurate until this is completed and fully charged. So to fully charge your batteries, you can either plug in AC power to the AC input, or we can plug solar panels into the solar panel input to charge it. You'll know it's charged when the battery meter shows 27.2 volts and has slowed down the charging. If it's still charging at a high wattage, you need to wait till that slows down. With either method, you don't have to worry about overcharging your batteries. It will stop before it gets too full.